Hello viewers, welcome to Hotel Shohid Palace, Chuadanga. Hotel Shohid Palace is a business class hotel. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, water purification system, car parking, laundry service, etc. Reception. Family Deluxe, Orchid Suite, Premium King, Premium Twin, Sky View Suite, Conference Room, Restaurant. Hotel Shohid Palace, Chuadanga, courtesied by porjotonbd.com, a website of Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 013012722744, 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, videography Shathi Boni, voice Shathi Boni, porjotonbd.com. Thanks for watching.